I have been dreaming of doing this trip from Kanyakumari to Khardung for years now, but my life has always come my way. But this time around, I have decided that I am going to take up a challenge. I've gone on long trips throughout India by road, on a motorcycle and cars. Now I'm planning to travel for more than 4,400 plus kilometers from the southernmost tip of our country, Kanyakumari, to the northern top of our country, Khardung. If that wasn't enough of a challenge, I want to see if I can do it on an electric scooter. How would one even manage that? Charging ports, cables, range, so many variants to it. Now that seems like a real challenge to me. Traveling through the central corridor of our country, I'm going to climb the extreme heights of Leh and experience the real risks of high altitude.
And look at this place. Look at her. It's just so amazing when you look at this nature and how vast is this place. The mountains. Nice straight highway. Look at that highway. You can just see kilometers together. I think we're just getting the feeler of how the weather is going to be. It's already started getting a little warm.
50 किलोमीटर का माइलेज है. हाँ, 50 किलोमीटर. So they did lose their way and they're coming back now. Okay.